Hello friends, welcome back for Ethereum Technical Analysis. I'm Rocky Outcrop, this is the Rocky Outcrop channel. Hit that subscribe button, go and do it please. Thanks very much, I really appreciate it. Right, let's take a look at what we'll be taking a look at here. And that is this sad-faced turtle here now. Look, I don't know when I did this. If I did it in yesterday's episode, I totally didn't notice at the time. But look, he's crying. He's crying now. I might have done this after the episode stopped filming. I can't actually remember. But look at the tears this poor turtle has. Maybe it's been like this for days and I've only just noticed it now. Talk about Gestalt, eh? Maybe you've all been looking at him and thinking he's a sad turtle for a while and I've not noticed. Who knows? Let me know in the comments down below, would you? So here we go. The Hey Pal zone was broken back up again to the top side as part of this fake out type chat that we had in yesterday's episode. And so far, then we've seen the laser beam eye line here, 230, took the lasers off of it. It's managed to solidify again instead of being melted, and it's working well enough. Now, I suppose at some point I'll have to stop making all these jokes because the new subscribers will think that that's just what the channel is all about when it isn't. But anyway, this has just been a good laugh for us. And yeah, so the price is currently above 230. That's good to see in terms of, the bullish case scenario. Look at this. It actually came in with a higher low after all that price action. And look, what do the oscillators tell us then in terms of all this sort of stuff? Well, we've managed to be supported by the neutral line, kind of, so to speak, here on the RSI. We've come down below the median line here on the stochastics, but maybe we'll see a turnaround here. It looks like they're starting to get to the point where they, pardon me, could cross, I suppose. Strength of trend still up there in terms of let's actually no, it's just still below the 20 in terms of the ADX line. But we've the potential for this turning into a stronger downward trend is still there. It's still right on the platform. It really depends how it manages to maintain around these price levels of 230, 225, 220. And down here towards this 236 area, which could be measured slightly differently, depending on how you're doing it. It just happens to be there at 216 on this chart, but 218 where it came down to before was certainly close enough. It's close enough. If we go down to the smaller time frame, so you can check in on our other friend here, Hey Pal, and you can see then that this is where this is really kind of the Hey Pal zone was where the prices really did kind of turn around at. The momentum dropped off at this point, despite the fact that it went on further down, and the inertia came into play, and then it started moving back up again there in and around this. So we could call this an inflection zone, of course, at 225, and bear that in mind. But what am I looking at in today's episode more than anything really is just the 10 simple moving average and the 21 EMA. Now I put the 10 simple back on. I've not used this for a couple of months on the show, and I just wanted to do this during this period of a little bit of consolidation because it's a sort of shorter term type moving average, and it's people would be looking for like ideas about where the price could be going over the sort of the day and the next day and stuff like that. And this one's better, not better, that's what it can be used for. It's obviously going to be utterly dire in terms of long-term stuff. So yeah, that's what it's coming in as well, right on the laser frog eyes, laser eyes, turtle eye, laser line here at 230. So that's not a surprise. Can it stay above that on the 4-hour time frame? Looking at the 12-hour time frame, it's right below where the current price action was at 233 just a wee while ago, where it is, sorry, actually, and we're sandwiched between the two EMAs there. And going up to the 24-hour time frame, you can see that the prices are currently above the 21 EMA, and of course we have that up there around about that 240 area. And I'll be looking to see if it can break past either of these levels. Now, of course, there's various things I'm ignoring and saying that. For instance, where this area was before, where the prices dropped down at 238, whatever. Just this is just what it is. This episode today, that's what I'm saying to folk that I'm looking at the minute, is just kind of these two things, the 21 EMA and the 10 simple across the time frames, just to give me an idea about how things are shaping up. Obviously bearing in mind all of the chat that we've had in previous episodes anyway, because we're not going to forget that in a hurry, I'm sure. So that's going to do for today. Great, good stuff. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please do subscribe because, like I say, daily technical analysis videos, good stuff every day, and I appreciate you tuning in. So I'll catch you next time.